How to fix portrait mode not working on Android camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix portrait mode not working on Android camera. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to restart the phone. So first, restart your phone quickly because a quick restart can fix temporary glitches affecting the Android camera. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to clean the camera lens. So always make sure that your camera lens is clear because dust or fingerprint on the lens can prevent portrait mode from detecting the subject correctly. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the camera app cache. So here simply long press on the camera app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here once you're inside the camera app settings page, what you can do is you can just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, it will remove the bugs and glitches from the camera app, which may fix many camera related issues. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check lighting and distance. So portrait mode works best with a good lighting and when the subject is at correct distance from the camera. So here you just have to adjust the lighting and distance to get a perfect portrait picture. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to update your phone software. So sometimes the problem might appear in the system. So here what you can do is you can just open the settings app, and now from here you can just tap on about phone, and from there you can simply scroll down, and there you can simply look for the software update. So there just look for a software update, and if you found it you can just tap on it and install the latest updates for your Android device. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.